Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I might step up my Avon reviews this week because I have so much stuff that I want to review for you guys. So if you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep, and I actually, at the end of this video, a lot of people have been asking me about the promotion coupons and how to get them on my site. So I'm actually going to show at the end of this video how you can sign up for promotion coupons, because there's some really good ones going on right now. So, but right now I am reviewing the Rose. There is a shower gel and a lotion, and this is actually Korean Beauty. So this is a high-end product. So I do have the shower gel here, and it says Rose Passion and Beyond Silk Bouquet Shower Gel. Soft, silky lather of nourishing plant-derived glycerin and a naturally derived mild cleanser leaves skin refreshed, lightly scented, and moisturized. It also says, developed from a unique, eco-friendly extracting technology that recreates the vibrant, alluring aroma of a blooming rose, harmonized with fresh citrus in a lightweight, refreshing formula that moisturizes and leaves skin with a soft, lingering, fruity floral scent. So check out the box it comes in. These are gorgeous big boxes. Now the shower gel is $18. Like I said, this is more of a high-end product that is Korean Beauty. The bottle is pretty big. Check this out. And it's funny because a lot of you know that I don't love the scent of fresh cut roses. This smells exactly like fresh cut roses, and my mother loves this. A lot of people like it. So if you love the scent of straight on fresh cut roses, I think you're gonna like this. It comes with a pump in the box. I love when you get the pump. So you can take the cap off here, and then you're gonna put the pump in and screw this down, and then there's an open. You go this way to open. You got to push it down a little bit. Sometimes these are hard to open. I've had problems like with every single company opening these things. You just got to play with it for a little bit. Come on. Hold. There we go. You got to hold it the right way. There we go. I popped it. So then you're going to have this nice pump. These are 10.1 ounces. And like I said, I think this would make a really nice Christmas gift, or be like a really nice centerpiece in a bathroom that you like to do rose and pink in. And then you can use it and create kind of like a decor motif. But if you like fresh cut roses, I think you're going to absolutely love this one. It smells exactly like fresh cut roses. It is made in Korea. And for the most part, I've had really good luck with all of the Korean Beauty products. That is the shampoo I use. I am all about this Korean Beauty. So there we go. Rose Silk Boutique. It is in campaign 23, and it is also currently online. So I will put a link below. So I wanted to talk a little bit about ordering online on my e-store. All of my links are below. What I love about ordering in the e-store is that everything gets delivered directly to your house. If you have any issues, if there's a problem with the product, if something leaked, you can call the number on the invoice for Avon customer service, and then they can take care of it. They're actually really good. So that's the advantage of shopping online. The other advantage is that you have all these really neat offers. So if you look under my name, see there's a pink dot next to my name, and it says offers. If you're on my email list, I will be sending new offers every campaign, and they usually involve a free product, the free shipping under $50. Avon changes these up all the time. So if you click on that offer button from the drop down, you're going to see a screen pop up, and you can use one offer code per order. This time we've got a free Serum Boost A-Box with your $60 purchase. It's a really nice A-Box. Or you can get free shipping with a $50 order, or with a $40 order, you can get a free Kids Soapy Slime Body Cleanser. And these are going to expire on the 12th. You just hit add to bag. This actually is your checkout screen. I want to make sure when everybody gets to their checkout screen they can see that the offer was added in. So for example, in this one, I spent $60, and then I clicked that add to bag on my offer, and you can see the A-Box Serum Boost A-Box is in there. And then you're also going to want to, on the right-hand side, you're going to want to click free brochure, add to bag, because then Avon is going to send you a brochure with your order. If you don't click the button, they won't send you the brochure. So you're also going to get free shipping on $60. So those are the advantages of shopping online in the e-store. Thank you so much.